Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Audible on Alexa. First, you'll want to ensure your Amazon and Audible accounts are properly linked. Open your Alexa app, navigate to the settings, and find the music and podcast section. From there, select Audible and follow the simple on-screen instructions to connect your account. This crucial first step ensures your entire Audible library is accessible through your Alexa-enabled devices, ready for you to enjoy your favorite audiobooks instantly. Once your accounts are linked, playing an audiobook is incredibly easy. Simply say, "Alexa, play audiobook title on Audible," or "Alexa, read author's name from Audible." Alexa will automatically pick up where you last left off, even if you were listening on a different device. You can also use commands like Alexa, pause, Alexa, resume, or Alexa, skip forward 30 seconds to control your listening experience hands-free. It's truly convenient. Beyond basic playback, Alexa offers several advanced voice commands to enhance your Audible experience. For instance, you can set a sleep timer by saying, "Alexa, set a sleep timer for 30 minutes." Alexa will then stop playing after that duration. You can also ask Alexa, "What chapter is this?" or "Alexa, how much time is left in this book?" to stay informed. Navigating is simple. Just say, "Alexa, next chapter," or "Alexa, previous chapter," to jump around. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is usually straightforward. First, ensure your Alexa device has a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, open your Alexa app and double-check that your Audible account is still correctly linked and that there are no pending updates. Also, confirm your Audible membership is active and current, as an expired membership can prevent access. These simple checks resolve most common problems, getting you back to your audiobooks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.